Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use macro mode in Vivo Y21S. And to do this, first we'll need to open our camera. Here in the photo, select the lens and go for super macro. Now you can lift your phone and pick the object you want to take a photo of. In this case, let's go for a plant, and make sure your phone is as stable as possible. Place it around 3 to 5 centimeters away from the object, and when it's ready, click on the shutter. As I mentioned, try to be stable and also make sure that the object is very good lighted. Now when we check the photo, here's a macro image. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.